Irimori Esokoni airia munu kedagura na kaluwe ngurianete MP na beruko Eibuga soroti Joan Alobo achom ngesi abu itoron na pedorushon nu Eibuga soroti ebe amen aitodolikin ipodesha lu agwela narak lu Esokoni iche ko pudesha kalu kesi moraitos ebe atonis na esola e generator kosodi amariona idukai lockups
ina kapakina no ano sekegesi etie na wani bebe idumu noni engare none are ngara kino Esokoni angon. I have all the evidences, all the papers, all the threats that were issued to the market vendors. That it is because of your petition that they are all running their legs to Soroti City. Sanity must come to the main market. My humble prayer is don't be intimidated.
Apotu agwanaraka kilipata MP Alobo aitodoliki monyo keche kuju tetereja utenelo Esokoni itetenar.
Can't repeat again like water. Lack of off-roading, there's no off-roading. The vendors bring their corporates, that things are stolen. And we ask, where's the police? Because some places are very dark.
In Esokoni, what a ride of money, we may attack at the night, Damadi. Eredio Sokoni. I'm saying I don't know Sokoni. Now, so the Tikota Esokoni, Obama can say, every Giberon to Lagaria, no Pala, Mamusi, they are not free to go to the Sana with their own.
No one saw you, because I say the Sokoni.
Around 10 days, the council disappeared with its own people. We failed to allocate, we failed to do anything. Everything stopped there and then. How I wish if the minister could come direct to the market and meet us, the vendors, and hear from us, the vendors, because we have really failed to do what? To get help from the leaders, all the city.
Konye arushokinto na polo na itunga keda apugana ko Eibuga ko jaida ainapeta nu Esokoni kalo damali asekenye nepepeka RCC Peter Pex Park kesi apotu kimu wasakirache ko palasebe erasi abekoi konye poto kesi asom kagugong asom nuebeiti.
What people purchase a Puakironwe, Rimere, Copani, Bakaino, Konyama Musa Jenny Chetunga, Kedamamusa Kota, a genuine bait. So Loloberanga Pupuna Kirot Nebakevenyo, a Kula Yai, or Sokoni. Konyam Tangari Borolo, Kolo Kawani Nangu. Abunango, I care on a Kurungaren. Aitama beraingi tanar. Owaila location, munjo la pota dumuta kecherero, keslo ejasiyo, toma. So abeita Esokoni lo, edit, mame pera ya ngari tunakere. Yautu kedi meetings lo pepo. So ngunu kere, apoto de tojo kasinyo, i-rates kwape council, kwape bala rekisil.
But I think one of the challenges that is coming out clearly is the issue of the market. Honorable Joan Alobo is busy, mobilizing the community, mobilizing the vendors, inciting them, and telling them all sorts of lies. I want to tell the public that the issues of the market are not very serious issues that you just need to tell lies. These are issues of facts and issues of the law. I've been invited to the market purposely for conflict mitigation. So if there are issues that the vendors feel the minister should hear, that is the opportunity to raise them. But I want to guide that when you are raising an issue, you must raise an issue which has facts. Not because you have been briefed to say it and you cannot justify it. And once the allocations are complete, the city authority should have produced an authentic register of market vendors. And based on that, then the elections can be conducted.
Kanuka TV East, Rebecca Mongin, Eibuga, Soroti.